Back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you Alienware AW2723df best settings. If you find this video helpful, so please consider subscribing and liking the video. And watch the video till the end so you cannot miss any important step.
Here you will see. These are the best settings for your Alienware. So first talk about general use. Brightness should be 25 to 50% in dim rooms and 70 to 80% in bright rooms. Contrast should be 70 to 75. Preset mode, custom color, RGB. Red is 100, green is 95 and blue is 90. Gamma 2.2, sharpness 50. These are the gaming settings. Resolution 2560 into 1440, 240 Hz or 280 Hz overload. Response time super fast. Preset mode F. RTS or custom colors. Adaptive sync. Enable G-Sync FreeSync. SDR. Enable SDR in Windows and use SDR 1000 mode for peak brightness. Comfort. Low blue light. Use comfort view for eye strain. Dark stabilizer. Set to 2, 3 for better visibility in dark areas. So these are the best settings for your Alienware. That's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.